question 25. We also have this truth table here. We have that which of the following symbolic statement illustrates y? That is this y. Which of these options? Option A is negation P and negation Q. Option B is negation P or negation Q. Option C is P or Q. Option D is P and Q. Option E is P implies Q. Now, the one that represents the column Y here is P or Q. Now, P or Q, for P or Q to be false, one has to be false, then the other has to be false. That's when you can have false. That is why it is P or Q. Because under P or Q, if one is true and the other is true, it's going to be true. If one is true and the other is false, it's going to be true. True, 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 false, true, false, true is going to be true. Provided one is true. Here, under P or Q, the only way we can have a false is when we have false and false, and that is false. Surely,